So welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at the Daniel Smith Green Apatite Genuine granulating paint. And I just want to put it up next to my own earth mineral palette that I've created myself from my own grounded mineral stones and Sennelier pigments added. On this side, on the left hand side, you've got my own green mineral colour here, and on the right hand side you've got the Daniel Smith Green Apatite Genuine. Well, straight away we can see the differences in tones. This is more yellowy brown, this is a straight through sort of lime green. I will be doing some swatches as well to see the way that these two perform next to each other. I'm not a professional paint maker, would never say that I was. I just do this for a bit of fun to see what I can create. Daniel Smith's paints are absolutely fantastic, and I will continue to buy them because they are brilliant. I just thought I'd make my own granulating mineral earth colours and just to see what happens. So I'll be showing you various videos and demonstrations using these paints over the coming weeks and months. So that concludes another video. Thanks for liking, for subscribing. Remember to comment down at the bottom there. Tell me about your own adventures with creating paint or painting in general, and we'll see you again next time. Take care and happy painting.